Would you like to connect ChatGPT with Google? Let me show you how. But first, please subscribe and hit the like button as it helps me create more content. So the first step you need to do is to search for Chrome extensions and then click on Chrome Web Store. This will get you the extensions web store. Here at the top, you're going to search for ChatGPT. And then you will see a bunch of them. The best one is this one, which has 1,870 stars, and you're going to click on it. It's called Chatgpt for Google.com. Once you click on it, you're going to select Add to Chrome. And then click Add Extension. Once it's added, it's going to say Chatgpt for Google Chrome has been added to Chrome, and then you can see it at the top. Either you could use the API, but that obviously comes with a charge, or you can go with the free version by selecting the web app. I'm going to select 4, but 3.5 is always faster, so I'm going to select 3.5. Save. So you're going to click on Login. Continue with Google. I'll select my account. And then you'll click Back to Search. Now, it's automatically searching. So the best time to do skydiving can vary depending on a few factors. You could also use ChatGPT's prompt listing that came from Google. So you could combine ChatGPT and Google, and this is the best part. Now, you could also use it for your research, you could use it for programming if you're a software engineer, you could use it for all sorts of different things.